Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to open context menu by pressing left mouse button instead of right mouse button in Windows PC. So without further delay, let's begin. So as we all know that whenever we press the right mouse button, the context menu shows up, as you can see right now whenever I press the right mouse button. So in order to open the context menu by pressing the left mouse button, what you need to do is just open the settings and just click on this Bluetooth and devices. Just scroll down below. Now just click on this mouse. Now you will see here one option, primary mouse button. So by default the left will be selected. Just click on it. Now just select the right. Now you can minimize these settings. Now if I press the left mouse button, now you can see here the context menu shows up. So if you want to restore it back, just move back to the settings by pressing the right mouse button, and now just click on this right option by pressing the right mouse button, and just select the left option by pressing the right mouse button. Now it will be restored back. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily open context menu by pressing left mouse button instead of right mouse button in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.